Okay, anybody want to take a drive down my driveway? Okay, here we go. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, don't try this at home, kiddies. Is this fun? Hey, we made it. Okay, let's go down the dirt road a little bit. There we go.
Parachute 24, it's Kiss Me Slowly.
Coming up.
Newsmaker and newscaster. Katie Kirk is with us in just a few minutes. An amazing story about a former president, Scott, that, and also the Kardashian clan. How is that the same story? We'll tell you. And up 3, it's Christina Perry with her latest 1,000 Years. Next.
ET40 returns
There's my Amish neighbors.
At H&R Block, we're serious. We believe everybody deserves the best tax preparation available. For a limited time,
Oh, we got more trees.
File your federal taxes for free if you qualify for a simple 1040 EZ. All returns will be completed by highly trained tax professionals in over 10,000 offices nationwide. This offer is available only through February 29th, so come in today or call 1-800-HR-BLOCK.
Here's where the Amish will strip the property.
Taxpayer must meet IRS criteria to use Form 1040 EZ at participating locations. Additional fees for state return and earned income credit.
Okay.
Going on now. Take an extra 15 or 10% off with your Macy's Star Rewards card or Savings Pass. Clearance fashion for all. 50 to 75% off. Save 60% when you take an extra 20% off clearance fine jewelry. Coats for her and him. 50 to 60% off. Luggage closeouts. 60% off. Hurry into Macy's Super Weekend Sale. That's the magic of Macy's. Savings off regular sale and clearance prices. Exclusions apply.
If you want to get 2012 off to a fresh start, the psychics at California Psychics can help.
I'm Reagan, I'm an empath, and I can help you by feeling what's going on in your life and get around those little roadblocks so that you can achieve fulfillment in the new year.
At California Psychics, our psychics have real gifts and communicate clearly. In fact, only 2 out of 100 psychics who apply are selected.
The hiring process was really challenging. I had to go through a background check, test readings, interviews.
Call 800-PREDICT, 800-PREDICT, or visit CaliforniaPsychics.com. And we promise that if your psychic reading isn't the best you've ever had, it's free.
I love helping people with love and relationships and career issues. I want to help them get on the right path so they can do what they really want to do.
California Psychics has helped over 2 million people. Call 800-PREDICT or visit CaliforniaPsychics.com. 800-PREDICT or CaliforniaPsychics.com. And if your psychic reading isn't the best you've ever experienced, it's free.
This part of the show brought to you by
Above the Influence, not into wasting your weekends. Above the Influence wants you to take the Unwasted Weekend Challenge and
Okay, there you go, kiddies.
out of the best time of the week. Go to AboveTheInfluence.com. And now back to the countdown.
See you next time.
ET40.
Bye-bye.
Live.